Thanks for spending your money with us and running up your credit card bills. You're welcome, Mango. Yeah. Welcome back to part 3 of unboxing fall. And if this is your first video, girl, you are behind, but you are on time today. And I'm glad to have you. Welcome. The first 2 videos are linked in the description box below. These gorgeous earrings from a black-owned company, Koi. Their website is Shop Koi. I got these cuties. These were talked about in the first video. We went over accessories and how to style them. Some great tips in that video to elevate your wardrobe for fall without spending too much. A very, very affordable little fashion styling hack to be had in that video. So go check that out. The second video featured this gorgeous blazer. Check out the previous 2 videos in these series. There are a lot of tips in there to give you that elevated, a step above the rest look to your fall wardrobe. So for this video, we are getting into the things that I picked up from Mango. I love me some Mango. Let's see what I got. So let's get into the Mango things. I know this is a little aggressive, but this is what I have. I don't know where my scissors are. I'm sure as soon as this video is over, I'll find them. Thanks for spending your money with us and running up your credit card bills. You're welcome, Mango. Denim. Always a favorite for fall. Denim just really does the trick. And especially if you live somewhere that really doesn't have true winters, like in Texas, our winter probably starts mid-January through February, and that's it. We have fall weather from October through December. So these wide leg jeans, I don't have anything like these. This is a lightweight denim is what I really love. They are in a 44 or size 12 for US. And I love the way these sit on the hip, very comfortable. I can wear all my pointed toe, sling back, kitten heels. Yes, I said
kitten heels. Fight me.
the contrasting stitching gets me every time. I love that. It would be nice if they went a little darker with the stitching, but I ain't mad. These are super comfortable, great on the buttocks. And we love anything that will complement the derriere and elongate our legs. A good old wide leg pant, it'll do wonders for you. Don't be fooled. Don't let anyone discourage you from your wide leg pants. Give it a try if you really aren't into wide leg. Try some on. The barrel jean may be more your speed if you're not really into wide leg pants. The barrel jean may fit your personality and your fashion style better. So check those out. Don't be afraid to try new things. Okay, this is a shirt. Oh, this is cute. This is a gorgeous little blouse, a staple in your closet to wear if you are office girly. This is a very cute way to elevate your wardrobe by getting something that is a basic. It is a bit sheer. Be mindful of that. You can get away with something like this wearing a heavier blazer over it, and it'll fit nicely up under it. But sheer is in. I love the wide cuff on this. Very chic. It peeks out from under the blazer. So chic and cute. We saw a lot of this go down the runway this year. Milan and Paris, they gave it to us. Kind of a textured buttons. Goes down the front as well. We love that. That is cute. A very nice, muted, neutral color. Goes with everything. You can pair this with any kind of color. That means you'll probably get a lot of mileage out of this. We want the cost per wear to be up, up, up. And of course, this is a size 12 on me. If you are a size 12, this is what it looks like. It has a really good length on it. I like it. Great tucked in or out. And we're going to loosen up those buttons as well. The third item in my Mango visit on their website is they took advantage of my credit card is something that I really wanted. So gorgeous. This reminds me, I think this was a YSL. I think YSL was the first one to come out with a really gorgeous leather jacket like this. If I'm not mistaken, I believe Frankie Shop made one similar to this. But this is a faux leather jacket, and it is cropped. Cropped is what we're doing this year. A lot of crop pieces with the belted details, actual functioning buttons on the cuff. We like intentional things. It is the details that really do it for me. Uh-oh, I'm giving y'all a little peekaboo. I don't want to do that. I salivated a little bit in my mouth when I saw it on the website, and I snatched it right on up. I have no regrets. None at all. Very smooth. It looks luxurious and beautiful. It is absolutely gorgeous. This is a chocolate brown. Very beautiful. I am going to wear this out. The wide lapel on the collar, like a blazer or a trench. I love this detail, and of course you can button it up at the top for that cow neck, turtle neck feel that is very trendy. There are plenty of designers out there making pieces and jackets and coats mainly with this turtleneck style neckline. This jacket is my most exciting find in this little mango haul. I am so excited for what I can style up with these pieces. It's going to be fun serving everywhere I go. Fall is, of course, being a fashion girly, is my most favorite season of the year because you can wear so many more of your clothing items. The layering really gives you a more elevated, put together look. You can really express your personal style with the more pieces that you can pair together. And of course, denim is in heavy rotation, and I love denim pieces at all weights, even the heavier weight, stretch, no stretch, all the different washes. So fall is that season for me, and that is it for this unboxing fall part 3 of this series. There is one more to go, girl. Like I said, links to the previous 2 videos. It's some goodies in there. Go watch it, please, and thank you. So thank you for hanging out with me in part 3 of this unboxing fall video series, and see you in part 4. Yeah.